Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Terraria dedicated server. First you need to go to terraria.org. Then you need to scroll down to the bottom and click PC dedicated server. Wait for this to download. Once it has downloaded, go into your downloads folder. Drag it onto your desktop. Right click and using an extracting program like 7-zip, click extract files. Press OK. You will now have a folder named Terraria Server 1423. This is the version of the game. Double click to open it. Navigate until you see these three files. The first one is Linux. You'll go into here if you are using the Linux operating system. The second is Mac. This is if you are using Mac OS. I am using Windows, so I will go into Windows. Next, right click and create a shortcut of the Terraria Server application. Right click this, press Properties, and where it says terrariaserver.exe under Target, to the end, add -config, and then add the name of your server config. In my case, it is server config. Click apply, then OK. Now, if you double click this, you should have a command console pop up. This is where your server will be hosted. Here we have the number of the worlds. I will click N to make a new world. It will have many options, and all you have to do to select them is write the corresponding number. I would like a large world in classic difficulty. Here you can name the world. This doesn't really matter, it's completely up to you. This is seed generation. It will now generate the world. Now that it has finished, you can see the world that you just created and the number next to it. Click the number that your world was named. Now, press enter if you just want 16 players. I'll do 10. This is the port. This is the port the players will connect to. I'm leaving mine as the default 7777. Yes, automatically port forward. It is important to put a password in your server for the security and safety of your server. Now that your server has started, you can write help to see a list of commands. Now that we are in Terraria, all we have to do to join the server is go to multiplayer, join via IP, and then you can choose a character that you would like to join with. You then can join via IP. In my case, it is 172.16.99.154. Click accept. The server port will be whatever you set it to. As mine is the default port of 7777, I can just click accept. It will now ask you to put the password in to connect to the server. Enter the password that you set it as. You have now joined the server. As you can see, it is fully complete and has chat active too. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.